Today we are going to meal prep a chicken, rice, and veggie dish that's all going to cook at the same time in our Instant Pot. You guys are absolutely going to love this fast and easy recipe. Let me run you through the ingredients so we can get started.
So for spices, we're going to use onion, garlic, Sazon, salt, turmeric, chili powder, and black pepper. All of the measurements will be listed out in the description box below. I have some avocado oil. Use any kind of neutral flavored oil that you have. I have rice. I'm using a white basmati rice, and then chicken. I have cut the chicken into roughly 1-inch cubes. And then of course, our frozen veggies. This is such a quick and easy recipe. Now we're going to grab our Instant Pot. We're going to set it to saute on high. When it's hot, we're going to add in that avocado oil. I love this hack. You just pick up the liner and twirl it around so the bottom gets evenly coated with oil. When it's piping hot, we're going to add in that chicken along with all of our dried spices. And then we're going to really just saute everything, stir it really well. This took me probably about 2 to 3 or 4 minutes. And when the chicken is mostly cooked, then we're going to add our rinsed and drained rice. You really just want to stir everything so that the rice picks up the flavors of all of that delicious spice that we put inside the pot.
I'm going to use chicken broth instead of water. And I like using kettle and fire because there's so much protein, so many nutrients in this. So I'm just going to use one of these containers instead of water. If you don't have this, alternatively, you could use a chicken broth, or you can even just use water and it will still turn out delicious.
We're going to add that bone broth straight inside the pot. And this is a very important step here. Do not skip this step. You want to deglaze the bottom of this pot. I am scraping. Make sure there's no burn bits, or you may get that dreaded burn signal. Then we're going to close the lid, press cancel on the Instant Pot, and set it to high pressure for 4 minutes. And then I decided to grab another bag of frozen veggies out of the freezer. Use any kind of veggies that you like and let them thaw on the counter. Once the Instant Pot has come to natural pressure for about 10 minutes, we're going to perform a quick release, and then we're going to fluff our incredible rice with chicken. And then we're going to add in our frozen veggies. Guys, you don't even have to set this to saute because remember, this is meal prep, so it's so easy. Give everything a good stir so you have perfectly evenly distributed veggies. Then we're going to grab our meal prep containers. I love using glass containers. My husband warms it up either in a toaster oven, or sometimes I also got him one of these like warmable lunchbox contraptions that he really likes. This was such a quick and easy recipe. One of his favorites. You guys have got to try this.
If you enjoyed recipes like this, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know an idea that you have in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.